Welcome, this is Neco year 2019 English test of oral past question number 38. So we're still looking out for the main or primary stress. So, and the given word here is pronounced as disadvantageous. In option A, the stressed, according to option A, is the stressed on DIS, because DIS is capitalized to find out if the stress fall on DIS. Then in option B, AD is capitalized to find out if of the stress fall on AD. Then in option C, VAN is capitalized to find out if the stress fall on VAN. Then in option D, TA is capitalized to find out if the stress fall on TA. Then in option E, GEOUS is underlined to find out if the stress actually fall on this surface. So now let us pronounce the word correctly: disadvantageous. So when you look at the initial this, it is nominal. Then when we get to when if you touch our esophagus, we find out that the eye is not thick, it only vibrates at its normal level. Then then there is a little vibration higher than when we pronounce va. Then we now get to disadvantage. The T sound more higher than and va. Then we get to advantageous. The just falls. So the correct option here is option D. So where we have our stress is on TA, disadvantageous. So T is where we have our primary stress or main stress. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.